YouTube, what's going on? I'm back, man. It's your boy Prolific, aka Prolific Trades. And it's been about a year since I've done one of these, but hey, I am back for the long haul. I'm launching a new series where I show people how to pass these funded accounts, take these funded accounts, and then scale them into more funded accounts. And we just keep scaling them, man. And it's low profit entries to get these accounts, man. So you don't need a lot of money to get these accounts. I believe like Lucid's running a sale, so you can go all in 80, $85 for a 50K account. Pass that in 2 to 3 days, and you're live. And you'll get your live credentials within 5 minutes. So hey, you get a chance to like, comment, and subscribe to the video. Let's get to it. All right, we have today's Nasdaq. Today was the May 7th. Um, if you're trading futures right now, let me just let you all look at this. This shit is bullish. No need to short this. We are not in bearish territory until we probably break that back down here to the 26,000 levels. Like, you're gonna need a series of down candles to even think this thing is not bullish. Um, we've been swacking levels. We got 6 months, 7 months left this year. We're gonna trade into the. I believe we'll trade up to 30,000. Um, I don't know what the catalyst is that's gonna bring us back down here. Maybe something with Iran. Who knows? But we're bullish. Do not try to short these crazy bullish markets. But let me show you a couple setups that I took today. Got another account funded off a few setups. Hey, so I always start the day off. I'm pulling up to the charts every day about 8:30, 9 o'clock. So I got a previous day high and my Asia low. I also noticed that overnight, over London session, we set all new all-time highs. So we just overnight all-time highs. So this is all like liquidity. This is all liquidity. So when we come to the markets around that 9:30 time frame, we get completely bullish. You want to look, so on, like, if you're bearish, you want to see like your buy side get swept out, and you look for sell side targets. And it's just like simple setups like this right here. I know I took this one today. All right, mark this out. Look, this is on a 1 minute. All right, shortly after the market open, and you just play the waiting game. You see that we somewhat cleared out a little of this low time frame liquidity, but we didn't really aggressively trade down into the new day opening gap. So I'm still waking up thinking bullish. We break above here, and we leave behind a FVG. I mean, it is serious that we swept. We temporarily swept sell side down here, trap some bears, got people thinking, hey, we're gonna dump early, and the market's gonna run against them. You enter off this fair value gap. These are your targets. Target one, new all-time highs. Now, once you start closing above new all-time highs like this, I want you all to look at this. So we set. That's basically a London high right there. Oh, yep. That was. Look at this. You start trading up crazy like this, it's bullish. There's no need to try to short this. I'm gonna show you guys some during this series. I will show you all some live trade entries of how I trade these markets, but the shit is bullish. You can hop in late and sloppy, like the last 4 weeks of trading. It's bullish. Like, do not try to short these. With all these tech companies announcing earning reports and all that good stuff, there's no need to short these markets. Now, you see we did get exhausted around lunchtime. Here we are on a 5 minute time frame. All right, we start to get a change in shift of structure, changing characteristics, whatever you want to call it. Hey, we start breaking down. So hey, we got a lower low, but hey, we're not closing below that low yet. Now look at these candle closures below that low. All right, now I'm thinking bearish. We got a small FVG left right there, but hey, that time right there, that's not really my trading time. Right here, this is why I came back to the market. I say, okay, we dug down into a 4-hour FVG. We cleared out the Asia low. We could rally just temporarily, Like you gotta think about your objectives. Like once your objectives are met, you either leave the chart or you just look at low time frame clean setups. Once it starts getting this late in the day, I'm not too much looking to trade, but hey, there are quality trades to take at night. I mean, not at night, excuse me, during the PM session. What was the trade oh, we shorted the PM session. So look, yep, we came right up into this 1 hour FEG. We have highlighted right here. This is the FEG, and this was the short right here. Market came up. We got this low set right here, and I'm just like, hey, let me just see how we play it. You got to watch multiple time frames. So you go back here, you go to the 5 minutes. I'm like, okay, the 5 minute actually created a OB. Last series up candle, look at this down candle, engulf it. All right, I'm like, okay, I think I'll find something on the 1 minute to get jiggy with. Here we are, boom, inverted IFEG. All right, we set this initial FEG right there on this 1 minute from here to here, and we invert that inside of a bearish FEG. That's textbook shorts all day. Textbook shorts all day. Stop at the high. Hey, you can target the intraday low, or you can target an intraday low. Simple setups. Simple setups. Also, these are also simple setups. Look how we dig down. I call this my quantum setup. All right, that's based off ICT on Smart Money Concepts. We dig down, we run liquidity, and we aggressively trade back. Now see how we got two FEGs stacked above each other. We are on a 1 minute time frame. Once I start getting closures above this FEG, I'm pretty much bullish. Doing this price action right here, we got a little sloppy, but this was the confirmation right here. Once we start closing back up higher like that, I'm like, okay, this thing is gonna run out, and we're gonna play up, in which we did. So Asian session right now, it's moving a little bit. They just cleared out some sell side. Look at, we just run these relative equal highs up here, so we're generating liquidity. Tomorrow would have been NFP Friday. The price action isn't going to be pretty. London probably is not going to move that much. We probably start consolidating right now into London session, into New York AM session. I have no reason to trade NFP. I will come back Friday after the 9:30 open, and I'll look for a temporary setup, a short, quick little setup targeting some type of sell side. I will check back in with you guys. Tomorrow will be day one on a live funded with Lucid. My first time trading them. All is good so far. Actually like them. Let me log into Lucid right quick. Yeah, let me show you all. So this is our Lucid account. So boom, live right there. You all see Flex account. So we're gonna get in with them. I will keep you all updated with this account daily. Show you how we're gonna scale it. I know with the rules, you gotta make minimum profit of 150 per day. Minimum trading days is 5. No consistency rules, so we're gonna see how it works. We're gonna take the profits from this account, then scale up into more accounts. I'm gonna show you all how simple it is just to use less money, use the profits from these prop firms, and to scale into more accounts. So until next time, I want you guys to, hey, like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, take it easy, trade smart.